Welcome to Crescent Hill, a beautiful subdivision built by Eisenhower Homes. We are excited to take you in a journey through the different stages of construction so you can see how your dream home comes to life.
Today, we're starting with the very first step in the building process. The foundation is the base of the home. It provides strength and stability
And ensures the house is level, secure, and ready to support everything that comes next.
Now that the foundation is complete, the next step in building your home is framing. This is when the house really starts to take shape. Framing creates the structure of the home, the walls, the floors, and the roof. It's like the skeleton of the house, giving form and defining each space. After the framing and rough mechanicals are complete, the next big step is sheetrock. This is when the rooms really start to come together inside the home, and you can see how each space feels and flows. We're standing in the kitchen, where you can see that plumbing has been installed for the island, an important step that sets the stage for sinks, appliances, and all the functionality that this space has to offer. On the outside of the home, the house is under roof and the exterior has been bricked, giving it both protection and curb appeal. At this stage, it's exciting to see the home begin to look like a finished product, inside and out.
You've seen the quality and attention to detail that Eisenhower Homes puts into every stage of the construction, from the foundation to the framing, sheetrock, and finishes. And now, here's the final.
The kitchen showcases beautiful cabinetry, a large island with quartz countertops, modern lighting, and a stylish tile backsplash. This is one of my favorite things in here. The open concept living area flows seamlessly with abundant natural light and a cozy fireplace as the centerpiece. This is the stage when a house truly becomes a home. Designed with cares, built with quality, and ready for you to enjoy.